This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Engine oil and filter change. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Push the hood safety latch to your left, then raise the hood. Apply the parking brake. As an additional safeguard, chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Raise the front of the vehicle with a floor jack positioned under the subframe. Place the jack stands under the reinforced portion of the unibody seam. Then lower the jack. Remove the under-vehicle splash shield. Place a drain pan under the oil drain plug. Loosen the drain plug, then unscrew it by hand. Wearing protective gloves is highly recommended. While the oil is draining, check the sealing washer on the drain plug. Replace the seal if the original one is not usable. When the oil has completely drained, reinstall the drain plug and tighten it to the specified torque setting. On models with the oil filter mounted at the bottom of the engine, move the drain pan into position under the filter, then unscrew the filter with an oil filter wrench. Add oil to the filter and lubricate the filter seal. Wipe the mating surface clean, then install the filter and tighten it approximately 3/4 of a turn after the seal touches the mounting surface. Reinstall the under-vehicle splash shield. Raise the car with the floor jack, then pull the jack stands out and slowly lower the car. Remove the chocks from the rear wheels. On models with the filter mounted at the top of the engine, loosen the oil filter with a filter wrench, then remove the filter. Wipe clean the filter mating surface. Coat the seal with a small amount of fresh oil before installing the filter. Screw the replacement filter into place. Tighten the filter approximately 3/4 of a turn from the point when the seal touches the mating surface. Remove the oil cap and install a funnel. Add the appropriate amount of oil. Remove the funnel and reinstall the oil cap. Start the engine and allow the new oil to circulate. Allow the engine to idle for about a minute. Then turn the engine off and wait a few minutes.